Origin Urban Farming here. Today I'm making a feed box for my goats, or for my nanny goats anyway. My Billy could just tear it up. You can see I've got 3 sides of the box already done. I have some legs and the other parts pre-cut down there. And I'm going to keep doing little updates on this video until I get her done. We'll see how it goes. Now remember, this is all salvage material that I've had from other projects, so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, my feed box is done. I've got my legs down here I'm going to have to put on. So that's where I'm at right now. And let me give you a tip for anybody wanting to do this. Always pre-drill your holes. It'll save you a lot of heartache with split wood. Okay, on to the next stage. Okay guys, now I've got the legs on. You can see I made the top a little bit taller in the back. That's my roof that I'm going to put on it to keep water out will slant, let water run off. So that's the plan. Oh, another tip for anybody doing these things. I had to break out my corded drill because both batteries went dead on my cordless. So always have spare batteries. Okay, on to the next stage. Okay guys, finished feed box for my goats. See the roof on it? Keep water out. Ample trough. You see this little trim board right here? I didn't put that on there to look slick. I didn't measure my plywood and I was a little bit short, so I had to extend it. But all in all, I think it came out pretty well, don't you? Salvage material. Feed box for the goats. All is well.